If you landed on this video, you're probably trying to figure out which of these two VPNs is actually worth your money. But here's the thing. Bitdefender VPN and Proton VPN are built for completely different people. One is an antivirus company that added a VPN to its security bundle. The other was built from the ground up specifically to protect your privacy. The answer to which one you should get depends entirely on what you actually need. So let's break it down. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and here on this channel, we cut through the fluff to keep you secure online without all the confusing tech jargon. Today, we're going head to head. Bitdefender VPN versus Proton VPN. We're going to cover privacy policies, speeds, pricing, features, and ease of use so you can walk away knowing exactly which one's right for your situation. Let's start by understanding what each of these actually are. What Bitdefender VPN actually is. Bitdefender is one of the biggest names in antivirus software. Their VPN is an add-on to that antivirus ecosystem. You can buy Bitdefender VPN on its own, but most people end up with it because it's included in Bitdefender's antivirus bundles like Total Security or Premium Security. The standalone VPN starts at around $29.99 for the first year, billed annually. That works out to about $2.50 per month. That's a solid intro price. But after year one, it jumps to $69.99 annually. That's a significant renewal increase, so you want to factor that into your long-term cost math. Now, if you want to go the bundle route, Bitdefender Premium Security runs $79.99 for the first year and includes unlimited VPN traffic along with full antivirus protection for up to 5 decades. So here's the thing about Bitdefender VPN that most reviewers just gloss over. It is not a VPN company at its core. The service originally ran on Hotspot Shield's Catapult Hydra protocol, which means Bitdefender was essentially reselling Hotspot Shield's technology under its own branding. Bitdefender has made updates since then, and a 2026 independent audit confirmed that it does not store connection logs, browsing activity, or IP addresses on its end. That's a meaningful development, but the structural complexity of having two companies involved in the back end, operating across different jurisdictions, is something that privacy-focused users should understand before signing up. For everyday users who just want online protection bundled with their antivirus software, Bitdefender VPN is genuinely convenient. For people who care deeply about privacy as a principle, it is a more complicated picture. What Proton VPN actually is. Proton VPN comes from Proton, the company behind Proton Mail. They were founded by scientists and engineers from CERN, based in Geneva, Switzerland. Privacy is not a feature they bolted on. It is the entire reason the company exists. Switzerland sits outside the Five Eyes, Nine Eyes, and 14 Eyes intelligence sharing networks. That means Swiss companies are not bound by agreements that require them to hand over user data to foreign governments. Proton VPN has actually been ordered by courts to provide user logs and had to respond that those logs simply don't exist. All of Proton VPN's apps are fully open source. Anyone can inspect the code. The company runs annual independent audits of its no logs policy. 4 consecutive years through Securitum as of 2025, plus a SOC 2 Type 2 attestation. That is a level of transparency most VPN companies do not come close to matching. Proton VPN offers a free tier with no data cap, no speed throttling, and no ads. The paid plus plan starts at $2.99 per month on a 2-year plan, $4.99 per month on a 1-year plan, and $9.99 month to month. The free plan's genuinely usable, which is rare in this industry. Privacy, policy, and no logs. Who wins? Privacy is probably the most important category for VPN. So let's be direct here. Proton VPN has a documented, court-tested no logs policy backed by Swiss law, 4 independent audits, and fully open source code. That combination is about as strong as it gets. When a court demanded user data and Proton had nothing to give, that's not marketing, that's proof. Bitdefender passed a 2026 independent audit and does maintain a no logs policy. The concern with Bitdefender is mostly structural. Early versions of the privacy policy collected IP addresses, and the company's VPN infrastructure has ties to Hotspot Shield's technology and network. The 2026 audit addresses much of this, but if your primary reason for getting a VPN is ironclad privacy, Proton's track record is cleaner, simpler, and just more transparent. Winner on privacy, Proton VPN, and it's not particularly close. Speed and server count. Now, speed matters because a slow VPN is one you stop using. Bitdefender has over 3,000 servers servers in 100 plus countries. In testing, it shows an average speed loss of about 29%. Nearby servers like European locations hold up well with retention around 95%. US servers tend to drop more, around 76% retention. That's usable for most everyday tasks. Proton VPN has over 20,000 servers in 140 plus countries. It uses a proprietary technology called VPN Accelerator, which applies advanced networking techniques to maintain speed on distant server connections. In head-to-head tests, Proton generally shows more consistent speeds, especially over longer distances. For most people doing everyday browsing, streaming, and light work, both VPNs are fast enough. But Proton's larger network gives you more flexibility and more consistent performance across regions. Winner on speed and servers, Proton VPN. Price is genuinely competitive here, so it depends on what you're buying. Bitdefender's VPN's intro price of $34.99 at the time of recording is one of the lower prices you'll find for a premium VPN. The problem is the renewal rate at $69.99. If you are already a Bitdefender antivirus customer, the premium security bundle makes the VPN feel almost free as an add-on. So as you can see at the Bitdefender Premium Security and onward, it has the unlimited VPN traffic included. So you get everything, including a VPN for that, and that is your first year price. Proton VPN's free tier is a real option if your budget is zero. For the paid plan, $299 per month on a 2-year commitment adds up to almost exactly the same price as Bitdefender's intro price. Now, if we compare it to the 2-year price, since you only get the 1-year price on Bitdefender, and this is the 2-year price on Proton VPN works out here as being the long-term value play. Bitdefender, if you're already invested in their antivirus ecosystem, is a good idea. Ease of use. Now, both apps are clean and straightforward. Bitdefender's VPN app is designed to match the broader Bitdefender security dashboard. So if you're already managing antivirus through them, it fits naturally into that workflow. One click to connect, simple server collection, and it stays out of your way. Proton VPN's app is also intuitive, but it gives you more options. You can access advanced features like Secure Core, which routes your traffic through 2 servers in privacy-friendly countries before sending it out. There's also a stealth protocol that disguises VPN traffic as regular HTTPS traffic, which matters in countries or on networks that try to block VPNs. These are features most casual users will never touch, but they exist for people who need them. Winner on ease of use, roughly tied. Bitdefender is slightly simpler. Proton gives you more control without overwhelming you. Features. Bitdefender VPN includes a kill switch, split tunneling, auto connect on untrusted networks, and AES 256 encryption. That covers the essentials. There's also a double hop option that routes your traffic through 2 servers for added privacy. Proton VPN includes all of that, plus Secure Core servers, the stealth protocol, NetShield ad and malware blocking, Tor over VPN servers, and post-quantum encryption groundwork being laid for the future. For privacy-forward user, those extras matter. Winner on features, Proton VPN. Who should pick Bitdefender VPN? So Bitdefender VPN is the right call if you're already a Bitdefender antivirus customer and you want to add VPN protection without setting up a separate service. The bundle pricing is genuinely good value when you factor in everything you get. Antivirus, VPN, scam protection, and email security for 5 devices under 1 subscription. It is also a solid pick for casual users who want basic online protection when using public Wi-Fi, streaming geo-restricted content, or just keeping their browsing a bit more private without caring deeply about the technical details of how the VPN is built. Privacy is an afterthought and convenience is the priority. Bitdefender checks the box. Now, who should pick Proton VPN? Proton VPN is the right call if privacy is actually why you want a VPN. If you're concerned about your ISP tracking your activity, advertisers building profiles on you, or operating in an environment where digital privacy matters a lot, Proton's combination of Swiss jurisdiction, court-tested no logs, open source code, and annual audits puts it in a different category than most VPNs on the market. It is also the pick for users who want advanced features. Secure Core, Stealth Protocol, and the free tier that actually works all make Proton VPN one of the most complete privacy tools available at any price point. If you travel internationally, work in sensitive industries, or simply want a VPN that you can trust based on verifiable evidence rather than just marketing claims, Proton is the answer. The verdict. These 2 VPNs serve different purposes, and the best choice really depends on your situation. If you're already a Bitdefender antivirus user, adding Bitdefender VPN through their premium security bundle makes sense. You get solid protection, a clean experience, convenience, and you do not have to manage multiple services. It passed a third-party audit, it works well for everyday use, and the bundle price is holding up. If VPN privacy is your primary concern, or if you're starting fresh with no loyalty to either brand, Proton VPN wins this comparison. The server network is larger, the speeds are more consistent, the privacy credentials are stronger, and the long-term pricing is more competitive. The free tier is a genuine option to test it before committing. For most people watching this channel who want honest, reliable VPN protection without overcomplicating things, Bitdefender VPN is a reasonable choice, especially if you bundle it with the antivirus. But if you care about who can see your data and you want a VPN built by people who have gone to court to protect user privacy, Proton VPN is the one for you. Either way, we'll have links to both of them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.